Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up any browser on your computer or laptop. So after opening up any of the browser, you guys have to head over to adobe.com. So So you guys can see Adobe is the most famous website which has created many of the cool applications like Photoshop and many of the applications. So after opening up the adobe.com, you guys have to click on the second top option, which is PDF and e-signatures. So you guys have to tap on the arrow button. So it will provide you a bunch of options. So in the section of online tools, you guys can see the second option, which is compress PDF. You guys have to just tap you guys have to just click on it. So after clicking on it, you guys just have to select a file. So after selecting this one, it will provide you three of the options, which is high, medium and low. So you guys can compress your PDF size according to your needs or desires. So let's suppose you want to compress high. So you just have to click on it and tap on compress. So it will take some time in compressing your file. And here you go. So you guys can see your PDF has been compressed. So what you guys have to do is you just have to tap on the download button here. So after tapping on it, you guys have to just download and tap on open, and you guys can see your PDF has been compressed. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.